Welcome back. I'm here with Dave, the owner and founder of Point Zero Energy. Today we have 3 different styles of solar panels. Dave, let's talk about each one of these.
The type of solar panel is designed for a very specific use. This first one on your right, that's a rigid solar panel. They come in all different sizes and shapes. Solid with an aluminum frame, glass front. They don't bend. These are what people have been using on their house for years. They last a long time, 30 plus years. The only maintenance really to them is you might need to wash them off if they get really dirty. Other than that, they just work. This next one here is a flexible solar panel. It's extremely light, very narrow, so you can store a lot in a very small space. It's very easy to move around. Because it's flexible and because it uses casing there, the heat will go in and it'll build up and it'll get really hot on those cells. The plastic won't dissipate that heat. So that can damage the cells and they won't last as long. Glass actually works very well at conducting heat. Like on a glass panel, the sun will go in, but the glass will help dissipate that heat so those cells do not get too hot. If they're mounted permanently, the wind may come and they may flex back and forth. There's all these little electrical connectors, and if they get bent too many times, those can crack and can damage the solar panel or not work at all. So these panels won't last in a permanent situation like the rigid one will. Now this solar panel over here, this one's designed to be portable. It'll fold up into a briefcase, you can carry it, set it up, it has a stand built in, and so this will last a long time, but it's still portable.
Online, I also see a lot of claims about efficiency. So explain what efficiency means.
So a lot of people get confused with efficiency. They may think that 100 watt, 21% efficient panel is gonna charge my battery quicker than a 100 watt, 10% efficiency panel. Well, that's not true. They'll actually both charge at the same rate at 100 watts. Efficiency is just the size compared to the output.
We've mentioned longevity and life of these panels. You brought an example today of a flex panel that is just about 2 years old that's been outside and it's destroyed. It's not even usable.
The coating is actually peeling off. Some of these wires inside are cracked. I wouldn't want to use this panel. It could very easily catch on fire. Probably doesn't put out any power at this point. Most of these panels and pretty much anything except for glass panels have a warranty of about a year. That's because that's about as long as they can last.
In review, it's really important for a user to understand the use of their panel before they buy one. Thanks for joining us outside today for an episode of Solar Chats with Dave. We hope you learned more about the different styles of solar panels so you can make the right decision when you're making a purchase. We'll see you next time on another episode of Solar Chats with Dave.